Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can resize images on your site on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Currently, as you can see, I'm on one of my Squarespace sites, and I'm on one of my pages, specifically the contact page. Now for this, I'm going to go over and I'm going to change it to another subpage, just to have an empty page to show you guys how everything is done. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to click on edit the page, and then I'll add a section since I don't have one. I'll add a blank section and that should be enough. Then I'll go into add block and I'm going to add an image block. I'm going to place this right here in the middle. There we go. And then we're going to click on the plus, click select from library or upload whichever picture you want. I'll select this picture right over here. And now we have our image. But as you'll see, because the borders are a bit wider than they should be, we have that bit of empty space at the top or at the bottom. Now, if I resize this picture, it's going to resize appropriately, except it's going to leave borders. It's going to show the full image all the time because the aspect ratio dictates such. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the image so that it fills every time. So just click on the edit button over here, go into design, and you can select either fit to fit the entire image into the borders. You can select fill, which will fill the image no matter the size. As you can see, it's changing the image and cropping parts of it that are not aligned with the aspect ratio. Or you can also select shape and select whichever shape you would like. You can select these shapes right over here to change the appearance of your image. I'll just go back, and you can also, when selecting a shape, you can select the aspect ratio, whether it be 1:1, 2:3, like so, or 3:2 if you want a horizontal one. And I'll just go over and click into fill. But yeah, once you have that, now you have your image, and you can resize it by just dragging these nodes wherever you would like so, and you will have the image fill everything. Now, as you can see, depending on the aspect ratio, it will crop some certain space on the image, and now we have our full image, and you can literally just click on it and resize it manually depending on the size that you want. And that is all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.